spunky gnocchietto, just like you are.
Did you know you can make fresh pasta with a cheese grater?
Cavatelli, do-do-do.
Make a little volcano of love just using semolina flour and water. Work until smooth, then wrap it in a damp cloth and let it rest. Cut and roll out half-inch wide ropes, and now let's create little pillows of love. There are many ways to shape this. Using a gnocchi board, we are making cavatelli on the flat surface and Sardinian gnocchetti on the groovy surface. Or you can just do it on your pasta board. Simple. Now for the real fun. Using the back of a cheese grater, let's create my favorite shape. It's so spunky, just like you are. If you don't have any tools, just grab a good old fork. Just gorgeous.
Ling 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 ling. Farò la pasta così, alla Hollywood. Hai ragione anche tu,
Sarchiappone giù.
la semolina non ci va più.
Hello.
Cavatel.
Cavatello al telefono e il cheese grater non risponde mai.
Cavatellini venite dalla mamma.